All right, welcome to the USU video series on the R22 helicopter. Today we're going to be talking about a normal takeoff profile and what that looks like. Remember that hover power is essentially takeoff power. We want to smoothly ease forward and keep the nose low as we do this. A smooth transition forward minimizes the effect of transverse flow effect. So we're about at our 3-foot hover here. And as we push forward, right as we get through transverse flow effect, we get this blowback. And beyond that is ETL. Keep the nose low. We watch for the 40 knots before we pick up. And then push for 60 knots on our takeoff. Today we'll start us off with a normal takeoff profile. Pushing forward through transverse flow effect to ETL. We pop up. Pop up, lower collective.